welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to swap faces in Photoshop 2024. It takes my family at least 2 or 3 images for everybody to be smiling, including dogs and my silly husband. So you're going to watch as I swap faces and dogs in one photograph and then clean it up just a little bit. This is not a professional shot. This is something we just took very quick with an iPhone. So please forgive that it is not professional, but it gets the job done when you are crunched for time and you need a family photo. Here we go. Okay, so I've got my 3 photographs opened up in Photoshop 2024. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing is using the object selection tool on Luna, our dog. And I'm putting it all the way around her, and I'm going to copy her and paste her into the second photograph where the majority of us are smiling, including myself and my 2 kids, and Mia, our other dog, just happens to be looking at the camera. So I've pasted Luna and I've moved her into place. And now I'm just going to do a little bit of cleanup because her ear is sticking up from the previous photograph. So I'm going to erase that ear, and then I'm going to use a little bit of clone stamp over the top of it. So I need to zoom in here. And first I'm going to erase or mask it out. That whole area right there. All right, then we're going to create a new layer and select the clone stamp over some grass, and then change our opacity back to 100%. So Luna's taken care of. Now to deal with my husband's silly face. So we're going to object selection tool over his face, copy it, and we're going to paste it into the photograph that we're working with. And then move him into place. And typically what I'll do is change the opacity down about, 50% so I can see through it. And I try to line the eyes or the mouth up, but he had moved his head, so I'm lining up the edges of his neck instead, just so it looks realistic and doesn't look like I pasted a different face on there. Okay, once I get that into position and I'm satisfied with it, then we can change the opacity back to 100%. And now everybody's looking at the camera, smiling. So now we're just gonna clean this up a little bit. So first thing I'm going to do, again, this is not a professional image, but I'm just going to straighten it out just a little bit because it's kind of crooked. So I'm just using free transform tool. And now I'm going to use the crop tool. And the cool thing about the crop tool in Photoshop is it automatically gives you the rule of thirds guides. So you can easily line up your subject matter with those guides and crop it to a very nice composition. Okay, now I'm using the object remove tool and I'm getting rid of like the pots, and I'm going to get rid of that plastic deer. I'm just going to clean this stuff up a little bit just to make it look a little bit more simple. Clean up the edges. Okay, there's another pot over here I'm going to remove. Okay, and then the last thing, we're going to remove this piece of plywood on the side of the house. And then this is pretty much good to go. And we're done with this image. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more tips and tricks in Photoshop.